Welcome to the Custom Products webinar. In this webinar, we will demonstrate how to customize an existing product, how to create a completely customized product from a blank template, and how to use custom products in our product collections on our ESP websites and company stores. Let's get started by logging into espweb.asicentral.com. We'll enter our ASI number, username, and password, and then click on the Login button. Now we will go to the ESP Websites admin. I have my account set to log me into the ESP Websites admin automatically, but you may be brought to a different page. If you see the dashboard page, go to the ESP Websites admin section and click on Manage ESP Websites. Just a quick side note, if you wanted to be automatically logged into the ESP Websites admin area, you could click on the Set as Startup link here. If you are automatically logged into the ESP Web homepage, click on My Applications and select ESP Websites Admin from the drop-down. Now, let's click on Global Features and select Custom Products from the drop-down. If we wanted to modify an existing product from an ASI supplier, we could copy and customize it. We'll click on the Search and Copy button. Then, we can use the search bar here to find the product we want to copy. We can enter a product number, keywords, price range, or use the guided navigation here on the left. I know exactly which product I would like to customize, so I'll enter the product number and then click on Go. Now let's click on the Create Custom Product link. We will be taken into the Custom Products area. We'll click on the Basic Details tab to begin customizing information, such as the product name, description, or shipping information. For example, if we were going to donate some of the proceeds of the sale of this shirt to charity, we could add a line to the description. We can also edit the product number, summary, and/or the safety and compliance information for this product here in the Basic Details area. The next tab, Attributes, is where we can manage the colors, sizes, materials, shapes, and product options. In the Imprinting tab, we can edit any of the imprinting and production time information. If we needed to modify the pricing, we could do so by clicking on Pricing and then typing the updated prices in the appropriate boxes. The Images tab, here, enables us to upload additional images for the product. We can review any changes we made on the Summary tab. Once we are satisfied with our updates, let's click on Make Active. It will take approximately 15 to 30 minutes for our product to be viewable on the site or added to a product collection. Let's click on the Manage My Products link here to return to the Custom Products area. Next, we'll create a completely customized product using a blank template. We'll click on the Add a New Product button. In the Choose a Product Type window, we can enter the product name and a full description of the item. After entering the information in these required fields, we can use this drop-down to select the type of product we are adding. Let's select Apparel, Jewelry, and Wearables. Now, we'll click on Apply. We can begin adding data for our product, starting with the privacy level. Checking the Private checkbox will make the product viewable only when it is added to a product collection. For example, you can use this to create a product for a specific company store client, and it will not be searchable on your ESP website or other company stores. Let's type our product number here and a summary description here. Category is a required field. We could select up to 5 categories, but for this product, we only need 1. Let's select golf/polo shirts-unisex. Now, let's click on Apply. We can use the shipping and packaging options to enter shipping estimates, dimensions, weight, item packaging, and additional shipping information. Since we are finished with the Basic Details tab, let's click on Save, and then move on to the Attributes tab to add our colors, sizes, and materials. To select the product color, we can click on the main color group. Our shirt is available in black with gray, blue, and green. Let's click on the Rename link to change the name of our blue to Midnight Blue. If our shirt was a specific RGB or hex code, we could enter it here. Our golf shirt does not have a specific code, but it is a dark blue, so we'll change the hue to display as dark. Our black with gray golf shirt contains a combination of colors, black on the body and gray on the sleeves and collar. To set up a combination, we'll click on the Create Combo link and then select a second color. The default for a combination color will read secondary color, but we could also designate the additional color as a trim or accent color using this drop-down. Now, let's click on Done. After adding our colors, let's now add the sizes. We'll click on the drop-down and then click on the applicable size type, Apparel, Standard, and Numbered. Now, let's check Extra Small, Small, Medium, Large, Extra Large, and 2XL. To add a material, we can click on the Select Material drop-down. Our shirt is a 50-50 cotton polyester blend. To set up a blend, we will need to select Blend under Fabric. Then, we'll select Cotton from this drop-down and enter 50 in the percentage box. The remaining percentage will be automatically calculated in the second percentage box. Then we can select Polyester from this drop-down. We are able to add shapes if needed, but this field does not apply to our golf shirt, so we'll move on to Options. In the Product Options area, we can add further available options for our shirt, such as the number of buttons in the placket, sleeve length, pockets, etc. Now that we have added our attributes, let's click on Save and then click on the Imprinting tab. Our golf shirt is available with silkscreen and sold as a blank, meaning unimprinted. We'll use the Imprint Methods drop-down to select silkscreen and then click on Add. We will also check the Unimprinted checkbox here. We could add any other information about the imprinting in this area, such as imprint colors. To add colors by name, we can use this box, or we can list specific PMS colors using this box. This area is also where we can include information on production time, rush time, and same-day service. Let's click on Save and then click on the Pricing tab to add all the pricing for our shirt. In the Pricing area, there are two tabs, Pricing and Upcharges. The Pricing tab is where we will add the base pricing for our golf shirt, and the Upcharges tab is where we can indicate any additional charges for product options, such as setup charges. If all of the pricing for our golf shirt was the same, we could use a single price grid. However, our golf shirt is available in sizes extra small through extra large starting at $33, and the 2XL is available starting at $36. So, we need to have two price grids. To do this, we'll select Use Multiple Price Grids here. In the Multiple Price Grid Setup window, we need to select Size because the base price is based on the size. Then, we'll click on the Next Step button. We'll select the individual values for each price grid. First, sizes extra small through extra large. Then, we'll click on the Save and Add Another Configuration button, select 2XL, and click on the Save Configuration button. We now have two base price grids for the options we just established. Let's add the base price for this product in the available grids. First, we'll set the sold per unit. The sold per unit is the unit upon which the item is sold, such as per piece, per case, by the dozen, or even per roll in some scenarios. Our shirt is sold per piece in increments of 12, so we can leave the sold per option set to piece and begin entering the quantities 12, 24, 36, 48. Now, we can enter the list prices for sizes extra small through extra large, 33, 32, 31, 30. Then we will use the Price Codes drop-down to select the discount code for each price break. Let's set the first price code to Z. If we wanted to set each price break to the same discount, we can check the Apply to All checkbox. If we needed to include a price includes statement, such as price includes blank product only, we could enter that information here. Now, we'll add the pricing for size 2XL. Again, we'll enter the quantities 12, 24, 36, 48, and then the pricing 36, 35, 34, 33, and use a discount code of Z for all price breaks. After adding the base pricing, let's click on the Upcharges tab to add our upcharge, the setup charge for the silkscreen. We'll click on the Add an Upcharge button, select Imprint Method, click on the Next Step button, check Silkscreen, and click on Apply. Now, we can use the Upcharge Type drop-down to select Setup and Per Order, indicating that this is a one-time charge per order. We'll enter a quantity of 1, a list price of 50, and use the Z discount code to indicate no discount. Now that we have added our pricing and upcharge information, let's click on Save, and then click on the Images tab. In the Images section, we can upload images for our shirt. First, we'll upload a main image by clicking on the Choose button, navigating our computer, selecting the image, and clicking on Open. Then, we'll click on the Upload button. We are able to upload as many images as we would like. Let's upload an image of our shirt in each available color. We can also use previously uploaded images by clicking on the Media Library button, clicking here, and then clicking on this button. We can also add tags to images by dragging and dropping the criteria for an attribute to the image. We can only use one attribute, so let's use color. Now that we have added and tagged our images, let's click on Save, and then click on the Summary tab. On the Summary tab, we can see a preview of the product information we entered. We can click on the link next to the product name, description, summary description, or keywords field to make any changes, or click on the link to take us back to the basic details, attributes, imprinting, or price page. While our product has multiple price grids, only the first price grid will display on the summary page. We can click on the Manage Pricing link to review all price grids. Once we are finished reviewing our data, we can click on the Make Active button here to add the product to the ESP database. Success! Within 15 to 20 minutes, your product will be viewable on any ESP website under your company, unless you've made it private, in which case it will only show up when added to product collections. When you are finished creating products, you can click on the ESP website's logo in the top left, or go to My Applications and select ESP Websites Admin to return to the website's homepage. We now have a customized product from an ASI supplier and have created a completely customized product for use on our ESP website or company store. Now, let's add these products to a product collection. From the ESP Websites Admin, we'll click on the Edit Site button for the site we would like to add the product collection to. We'll expand the Manage Products menu and click on the Product Collections link. Let's click on the Manage Product Collections tab and then click on the Create a New Product Collection button. In the pop-up box, we'll name our product collection. This name will appear on the live site, so it is important to be sure that it's client-friendly. The description is not required and will only show in the admin. There are 3 levels to choose from: Personal, Personal Shared, and Company. Personal means that this product collection can only be seen and edited by me, the creator. Personal Shared means that the product collection can be seen by all users in my company, but again, only edited by me, its creator. The company level enables all users in my organization to see, use, and edit this product collection. Let's select Personal Shared, check Active, and then click on Save. Now, we'll search for our custom product. The fastest way to locate our custom products is to use our ASI number in the search bar. Next, we'll mark the items we would like to use, click on the Marked Items drop-down, and select Add to Current Product Collection. Once we've added our products, we'll click Return to Design Studio Product Collections to view the products we've added. Now we'll click on Save, and then we can return to the Homepage Setup tab to select our new product collection to appear on the homepage. Select the I want to display the following product collection on my homepage option. Then, we'll click on our newly created product collection from the available listings. Next, we'll click into the expiration date box and use the calendar to select the length of time we would like this product collection to appear on our homepage for, and then click on Save. Lastly, we'll click on the Make Changes Live link here. We've now created custom products, added them to a new product collection, and set the product collection to appear on the homepage of our site. If you need assistance at any time, the ASI Knowledge Base is available. If you are in the ESP Websites admin, click on Help and select Support. If you need assistance while building a custom product, click on Help and then select Product Support. The ASI Knowledge Base contains helpful articles and videos available 24/7. You can also request an email or call from ASI Technical Product Support during ASI's normal business hours. You can also call ASI Technical Product Support directly by dialing 800-546-1350, prompt 2. Thank you for viewing the Custom Products webinar.